Deep within the lush, humid jungles of a prehistoric Earth, a creature of immense size and power reigned supreme, Titanoboa. Imagine a snake so massive it dwarfed even the largest anaconda alive today. This colossal serpent, measuring up to 48 feet long and weighing over a ton, was the undisputed king of its domain. Titanoboa thrived in the Paleocene epoch roughly 60 million years ago. Its fossilized remains, discovered in Colombia, South America, have provided scientists with a glimpse into a world ruled by giant reptiles. The discovery of Titanoboa sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Here was evidence of a creature far larger than any snake known to science. Its existence challenged our understanding of the limits of reptilian evolution. The sheer size of Titanoboa captured the public imagination, inspiring awe and fear in equal measure. Around 58 million years ago, the reign of the Titanoboa came to an end. Like many other giant creatures of the Paleocene, it vanished from the face of the Earth. The exact reasons for its extinction remain a mystery, but scientists believe that a combination of factors contributed to its demise. One leading theory points to climate change. As global temperatures cooled, the lush rainforests that Titanoboa depended on began to shrink. This habitat loss would have put a strain on the snake's food supply, making it increasingly difficult for it to survive. Another theory suggests that the rise of new predators, better adapted to the changing environment, may have outcompeted Titanoboa for resources. Whatever the cause, the extinction of Titanoboa marked the end of an era. The giant snake disappeared into the fossil record, leaving behind only tantalizing clues to its former glory. But what if this apex predator had never gone extinct? How would its continued existence have shaped the world we know today? Imagine a world where the Amazon rainforest, the Congo Basin and other tropical regions are not just home to jaguars, anacondas and crocodiles, but also to their colossal ancestor, the Titanoboa. These massive snakes would be the undisputed apex predators of their ecosystems, their presence felt throughout the food chain. Their impact on prey animals would be profound. Mammals, birds and reptiles would have evolved different survival strategies, adapting to the constant threat of these giant serpents. Some animals might develop camouflage to blend into the rainforest undergrowth, while others might evolve speed or agility to outrun a Titanoboa's lightning-fast strike. The very structure of the rainforest itself might be different. The presence of Titanoboa could influence the distribution and abundance of plant life, as prey animals alter their grazing patterns to avoid these deadly predators. Their immense size would require vast territories, potentially leading to competition for resources with other large predators like jaguars and crocodiles. The hypothetical existence of Titanoboa today raises a crucial question. Could humans and such a massive predator coexist? The answer is complex and depends on various factors. On one hand, humans have proven to be highly adaptable and resourceful, capable of coexisting with dangerous animals throughout history. We have developed tools, strategies, and social structures to mitigate risks and protect ourselves. On the other hand, Titanoboa's sheer size and power present an unprecedented challenge. Encounters with such a creature would be extremely dangerous, potentially fatal. Human settlements encroaching on Titanoboa territories would be particularly vulnerable, requiring robust defense mechanisms and careful planning to minimize the risk of conflict. The relationship between humans and Titanoboa would likely be one of cautious respect, characterized by both fear and fascination. We would need to learn to live alongside this magnificent creature, respecting its space while also finding ways to protect ourselves from its formidable strength. Section 5. Adapting to a giant humanity's response. Faced with the challenge of coexisting with Titanoboa, humans would undoubtedly rise to the occasion. Our history is replete with examples of adapting to and overcoming environmental challenges. We would develop new technologies and strategies specifically designed to deal with the threat posed by these giant snakes. Specialized tracking and monitoring systems would be essential to predict Titanoboa movements and avoid encounters. New construction techniques, incorporating reinforced materials and elevated structures, would become commonplace in Titanoboa territories. Communities living in close proximity to these creatures would likely develop early warning systems and evacuation protocols to minimize casualties in case of an attack. Furthermore, cultural practices and beliefs would likely adapt to reflect the presence of Titanoboa. Myths, legends, and rituals might emerge, reflecting both the fear and reverence inspired by these colossal creatures. Just as ancient cultures developed stories and ceremonies around powerful animals, so too would we find ways to incorporate Titanoboa into our understanding of the natural world. Section 6. The balance of nature, prey, and predator. The hypothetical reintroduction of Titanoboa into the world's ecosystem would have far-reaching consequences for the delicate balance of predator and prey relationships. As an apex predator, Titanoboa would exert significant pressure on its prey, potentially leading to population declines in certain species. This, in turn, could have cascading effects throughout the food web. For example, a decrease in the population of a particular mammal due to Titanoboa predation could lead to an increase in the population of its prey, such as insects or rodents. These shifts in predator-prey dynamics can have both positive and negative consequences for the overall health and diversity of the ecosystem. However, it's also important to remember that ecosystems are complex and adaptable. Over time, other animals might evolve new strategies to avoid or even benefit from the presence of Titanoboa. Some species might develop a symbiotic relationship with the giant snakes, while others might fill new ecological niches created by the changes in predator-prey dynamics. Section 7. Titanoboa's ripple effect. A changed ecosystem. Titanoboa's presence extended beyond predator-prey interactions. It influenced plant life and water resources. Their movements created pathways, aiding seed dispersal. Burrowing altered soil and water patterns. Titanoboa influenced species evolution. Prey adapted with enhanced camouflage and speed. New adaptations like venom resistance emerged. Coexistence led to territorial competition. These interactions shaped ecosystem dynamics. Titanoboa's scientific value. Titanoboa would be a scientific goldmine. Studying it would provide insights into ancient snakes' biology and evolution. Observing its natural habitat reveals hunting techniques and adaptations. Its DNA would trace evolutionary lineage and relationships. Titanoboa's physiology offers clues about ancient Earth's climate. Studying its metabolism reveals Paleocene epoch's temperature and humidity. Observing interactions provides insights into prehistoric ecosystems. Studying Titanoboa deepens understanding of Earth's history and evolution. Section 9. Fear and fascination. Our relationship with giants. The hypothetical existence of Titanoboa today would undoubtedly elicit a complex mix of fear and fascination in humans. On the one hand, the sheer size and power of this creature would inspire awe and terror. Encounters with Titanoboa would be fraught with danger, demanding respect for its strength and unpredictability. On the other hand, humans have an innate fascination with the unknown, the colossal, and the ancient. Titanoboa would become a symbol of the Earth's prehistoric past, a living reminder of a time when giant creatures roamed the planet. Its existence would spark our imagination, inspiring stories, art, and scientific inquiry. Our relationship with Titanoboa would be one of cautious curiosity, a delicate balance between admiration for its magnificence and respect for its power. It would challenge our perception of our place in the natural world, reminding us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Section 10. Conclusion. The enduring legacy of Titanoboa. While the Titanoboa exists only in the fossil record, its legacy continues to resonate with us today. This colossal serpent serves as a stark reminder of the incredible diversity of life that has existed on our planet and the profound ways in which ecosystems can change over time. Even though Titanoboa is long gone, its story sparks our imaginations and prompts us to consider the delicate balance of nature and the importance of understanding and protecting our planet's biodiversity. If Titanoboa were to still exist today, our world would be a vastly different place. The challenges and opportunities presented by its presence would undoubtedly shape human evolution, culture, and our relationship with the natural world. While we may never know for sure what it would be like to share our planet with such a magnificent creature, the very act of imagining such a world reminds us of the infinite possibilities and wonders that nature holds.